Welcome back to our Technology Media content series. Today, we have an exciting and time-saving method to share with you. We'll show you how to bulk create 30 YouTube Shorts in just one day, using the power of ChatGPT and InVideo. Let's get started. To begin, we'll use ChatGPT, a powerful language model, to generate video ideas for our YouTube Shorts. By having a conversation with ChatGPT, we can brainstorm and create unique concepts in no time. So, let's dive in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content creation tips. Hey ChatGPT, I'm looking to create 30 YouTube Shorts in one day. Can you help me come up with some engaging ideas? Wow, these ideas are fantastic. ChatGPT, you really know how to inspire. Now that we have our video concepts, it's time to move on to the next step. Next up, we'll utilize InVideo, an online video editing platform, to quickly create our YouTube Shorts. InVideo offers a wide range of templates, effects, and editing tools that will help us bring our ideas to life. With InVideo, we have the ability to customize the templates, add text, graphics, and even background music to make our YouTube Shorts more engaging and visually appealing. Once we have customized our first template, we can simply duplicate it and make small tweaks to create variations for our remaining YouTube Shorts. This bulk editing feature will save us a tremendous amount of time. By repeating this process for each video idea, we can quickly generate 30 YouTube Shorts in just one day. It's incredible how ChatGPT and InVideo work together seamlessly to streamline our content creation workflow. And there we have it, 30 YouTube Shorts created in just one day. Thanks to the power of ChatGPT and InVideo, we've saved an enormous amount of time while producing engaging and high-quality content. That's all for today's video, but before we go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content creation tips. And don't forget to try out ChatGPT and InVideo to supercharge your YouTube Shorts creation process.